Today we're going to remove the moss from the roof using compressed air. We do not use water and we do not go on the roof, and we cause no damage whatsoever. We have removed the moss from this part. We are now applying a safe to use biocide. It is not corrosive, contains no bleach, and is nice and environmental friendly. The foam is a surfactant added to the product. This will disappear within 10 to 15 minutes and soak into the roof tile, then start doing its job over a period of time. We are now got the scaffolding set up, and we're going to commence taking the moss off the rear of the roof, then apply the biocide as we did for the front. We also cleaned the roof on the flat extension as well. We removed the moss and used a biocide.